With the patient in neutral alignment, measure the vertical distance from the tip of the chin to the top of the shoulder. Select the correct collar by referring to the size guide. Preform the collar prior to fitting. To preform the front panel, roll the panel sides inward with both hands. To preform the back panel, roll the panel into a cylinder. Before applying the collar, make sure the patient is in neutral alignment. To apply, slide the front portion of the collar up the patient's neck and properly position the chin support. Center the back portion of the collar onto the patient's neck. With the front portion properly secured, use the bilateral hook and loop straps to fasten the portions together. To improve comfort, minor adjustments can be made to the straps in the front and back flex tabs.